To ensure that you are given all the information, you must be aware of Charlie Munger. Munger might be the most well-known investor in the world if it weren't for Warren Buffett. And not simply because Munger, Berkshire Hathaway's co-chairman, and Buffett's right-hand man, is a remarkable investor. Of course he is, and he is extremely wealthy. But Munger's ability to condense complicated investing themes into clear sentences is what makes them so appealing to regular investors. We talk about what Charlie Munger says here. These 5 investment advice will aid you in your financial success. Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. At number 5, the secret to progress is learning. Charlie Munger believed that reading books and articles would advance you. The objective is to continuously increase your knowledge, according to Charlie Munger. In order to become a great investor, you must possess comprehensive knowledge across the board. Therefore, he suggests reading books about investing. But not just those. Don't be afraid to read other books to deepen your understanding of subjects that may eventually be useful to you when you choose whether or not to invest in company. At number 4, the full narrative cannot be told by numbers. Some devote time to number research. These investors are too busy examining figures to think people calculate too much and think too little, says Charlie Munger. Therefore, don't overvalue numbers. Data matters. They're not all-encompassing. Understanding a company's qualitative traits is often more important. Here, Charlie Munger evaluates a company's management, culture, or future-focused aims. If you examine these criteria, you will beat quantitative investors. At number 3, avoid confirmation bias. Charlie Munger believes that far too many investors are succumbing to this type of affirmation. They won't seek out sufficient contradictory data to raise doubts about their beliefs. You might be deceived by this confirmation bias. You must look beyond your certainties prior to investing. According to Charlie Munger, doing this will help you reduce your risks. At number 2, the greatest outcome is often a reasonable price for a terrific company. This is the most persuasive of Charlie Munger's remarks about investing. A great company at a fair price outperforms a fair company at a terrific price, the saying goes. Occasionally, investing in a cheap company might result in a big return. However, in the long term, it's probably preferable for you to accept the offer to purchase a fantastic company at a reasonable cost. The remaining steps need patience. To benefit from the supremacy of the company you have invested in, you must be able to maintain your position over the long term. At number 1, 99% of the time, be patient, and 1% of the time, be proactive. For more than 40 years, Charlie Munger has served as Warren Buffett's right-hand man. Charlie Munger, like Warren Buffett, thinks that the secret to success in the stock market is to be patient. Warren Buffett claims that some people's impatience and desire to get very wealthy soon is exactly what keeps them from succeeding. Charlie Munger also advises waiting for the ideal opportunity to take action, while exercising patience 99% of the time. You must act quickly when the opportunity arises to take advantage of the long-awaited chances. According to Charlie Munger, being wealthy via investments is only possible if you are able to put a lot of money into your finest ideas. In other words, you need to prepare yourself for the 99% of the time you have to wait in order to make the greatest choices possible. Charlie Munger, according to Warren Buffett, has been a key contributor to Berkshire Hathaway's phenomenal 40-year performance, which he often mentions. To read and listen to Charlie Munger's wise counsel, however, is a task that far too few people do. Charlie Munger, the owner of a $2 billion fortune, is able to provide investors with a wealth of stock market knowledge. You'll succeed in stock market investing if you follow the 7 pieces of advice from Charlie Munger. That's it everyone, we would like to hear from you in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribed along with turning on the notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back in the following video.